This video shows how to install the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth adapter. Gather the Wi-Fi adapter and adhesive pad from the kit. The spacer, bracket, and screws are not used for this printer. Remove the cover sheet from one side of the rectangular adhesive strip. Being careful to position it within the indented area on the adapter, press it firmly into place. Remove both adhesive cover sheets. Insert the adapter's connector into the printer. Please make sure the printer is powered on. Push against the adapter so that the adhesive strips will secure it to the printer. When the printer recognizes the adapter, the Wi-Fi adapter wizard appears. At the prompt, touch Continue. Log in the printer with admin credentials, if needed. If your wireless network appears in the list, select it. Enter the password if needed. Follow the prompts to connect to the network. For more information, read the System Administrator Guide.